All right, hello everybody. My name is Kate Strashny, founder of Dedicated, and today I want to tell you all about building your community online. Now, I recently came across a platform called Circle, and that is the platform I've decided to use for the community that I'm building of data professionals. What's interesting is prior to this, I basically engaged with my community on social media. So think LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, and so forth. And I also had several courses up on Teachable. So my vision for this community was to combine sort of the engagement, discussions, and community look and feel, along with the ability for members of the community to consume courses, get some downloadable materials, join some live events, and it seems like Circle is the perfect solution to everything I've been looking for. So in the first 2-3 weeks of launching my free community, I was able to get over 700 members to sign up for the platform. And I actually did this through an application process. So even though over 1,000 people have actually applied to be a part of this dedicated circle, only about 700 or so of them have been approved and have joined the community. All right, I'm going to go ahead and show you what the community looks like inside of Circle. All right, so this is what the community looks like. We have a homepage, we have a place where you can see all of our members. You have something similar to Slack and Discord where you can have channels set up. So I've got a welcome channel where you have start here where you can read about all the rules. You can have a say hello section. This is where essentially people introduce themselves, frequently asked questions, and of course, a place to provide feedback. Now, the cool thing is I've actually embedded a type form here to collect feedback. So if people want to fill this out, they can go ahead and fill it out within the Circle platform. You don't have to take somebody over to another site. The other factors I'll show you here, we have a community site where you can share resources, job posts, announcements. There's a Dear Dedicated section where you can ask questions, talk about book recommendations. There's a place for events calendar, some merch that you can buy from my Dedicated merch site, as well as Circle events. So I had one past Circle event where I did this as a test. Events are fairly new, and this is November 2021. I know they're just launching events right now, but really cool stuff. I'm going to minimize these and get into the discussion board. Here we have discussions around data engineering, data governance. We've got a section on data humor. So you can add your own discussion boards based on the topics that you want to cover. Got data mesh, data fabric, data science, data viz, storytelling. We got some machine learning. And then just today, I added a data literacy. So there's not much happening here since I just added that section today. Then what I have here are my courses. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down a bit here so you can get a better look. On the left-hand side, we have the data storytelling course, which essentially you can take welcome to the course, importance of data storytelling, and so go through all that content. It's a pretty lengthy course. And then we have 9 or so data to dashboard courses. Each of these essentially has its own course on how do you go from data to dashboard with these specific tools like Power BI, there's Domo, there's ClickSense, and you can click inside these video posts per se, and then we have embedded content in here. So you can go ahead and take courses. So I like the fact that it has this centralized look and feel for everything where my community is here, my courses are here. I've got one more course here. It has a little baby because this is an intro. You can customize your icons as well as including links, right? So there are links to my partners like Data Career Jumpstart, Learn Data Engineering, Business Science University, links to my podcast, my merch shop, and so forth. Now, the other cool thing I'll show you is there's an analytics side to this. So in analytics, you have an overview. How many members do you have? Who are some of your top members? What are the active spaces, active posts, popular times, popular days? You can take a closer look at some of your members. You can see who are the post starters, who is most appreciated. I do a lot of engagement because this is my community. You can look into posts and comments. Are people posting? Are people commenting? Where's the engagement? The spaces overview where you can see what are some of the most engaging spaces. You'll notice the say hello section is by far the largest because everybody is encouraged once they join to say hello. And then we're working on improving engagement across all the other aspects. There's also private messaging here that you can take a look at. You can directly message each other. I think Circle is also working on directly messaging groups of people, so you can have little group chats as well. So I want to go ahead and show you how you set up an event, because I think it's fairly new, but I think it's pretty cool. So let me close some of these down, go to my community and go to my Circle events. Now, all you have to do is essentially click new event, type in the name of the event, description optional, which space do you want this in, if you want a custom slug, and then you can include a cover image, set a date, set a time. Is this virtual, in person? You can disable RSVPs, you can hide the location from all non-attendees. And once you've set that up, you'll have access into attendee list and some more advanced features. There's also a member view where you can actually search for members based on specific attributes, like something in the headline, in the location, the roles, different spaces, or you can also look for specific tags. So for example, I've added these very cool member tags that individuals can get for either being a speaker at a conference, being an active contributor, a pioneer, which is essentially the first 1,000 members, a member of the month, which is one member gets this every single month. We have something called the Inner Circle that we're launching. Super fan, essentially anybody who wears a dedicated t-shirt and takes a photo, an author, or more recently added a champion, which are a really dedicated volunteers. So let's say if I really wanted to find everybody who is a speaker, I can hit apply and then identify all those individuals who have spoken at an event in the past. All right, I'll show you one more thing that I think is pretty cool, and it's the fact that you can create posts that have images, you can embed videos. Let me just show you quickly. If I were to create a new post, you can have a cover page. Let's say we want this cover. Sure, let's save that. We can have a title, insert title. We can write a description, write a post here, but then you can attach files. You can add emojis, you can add GIFs, you can add images, you can add videos, and then you can also include all these other options. You can have formatting, you can have bulleted lists, numbered lists, a block quote, a divider, some code. You can mention somebody using the @ symbol. You can, like I said, upload various files, and then you can also embed things like Typeform, YouTube videos, Vimeo, Loom, Spotify, Instagram. There's just Typeform, Google Maps. There's so many things you can actually do here, which I think is super, super cool. All right, hopefully that walkthrough of a Circle was helpful for you. If you're looking for a place to build your community, again, highly recommend using Circle. I am an affiliate for them. I immediately tried to become an affiliate once I learned about this company because I really believe in what they're doing. So if you'd like to receive a discount on purchasing Circle, definitely use the affiliate link in the description, and good luck on your community journey.